Alright, so let's get started. Just to introduce myself, my name is Brendan Darrow. I am currently a member of the product modeling team at Industrial Tools. I have been working in product development for about 10 years now, and most of my experience has been in the industrial sector. So recently there's been a lot of talk among the international community concerning the state of the global environment, and you can see just a few of those concerns listed here. Keeping these concerns in mind, we in the product development team sought to develop a product that would help industry be more eco-friendly. The proposal we came up with was this tool called Adjustable Wrench 34C. This webinar is going to cover three things about this new product: its components, how it works, and who the consumer base is. Alright, so I know some of you may be wondering, how is this, the production of an industrial product, actually going to help the issues that were brought up earlier in this presentation? Well, one way it'll help is we use 100% recycled metals. We take the metals listed here and mix them together into metal alloys so the material is easier to work with. The alloy also helps to strengthen the product. Looking at some of the attributes of this product, we can see there's an adjustable head towards the top, rotary grooves, and a handle towards the bottom. There are also centimeter markings towards the top of the wrench and a ring hole located towards the bottom of the handle. Alright, so now we're going to cover 3 easy steps to using this product. First, you use the rotary grooves to open the head. You do this by applying a light amount of pressure and scrolling towards the top of the wrench like if you were scrolling on a computer mouse. Once we have the wrench open, we can scroll the rotary grooves towards the bottom to tighten it around whatever object we're working with. Then finally, after we're done using this wrench, we can use the ring hole located at the bottom of the wrench for easy and visible storage. Alright, so who are the consumers of this product? Who could possibly benefit from this or want to use this tool? Well, first and foremost, the wrench can be used by people like us, the public. Industrial businesses also have uses for this tool. Benefits for the public include using this tool for things around the house like home improvement. Also, because we only have to buy one tool, it saves us money and helps to declutter around the house. Since this wrench is very durable, it can be used for heavy-duty tasks common in an industrial setting. But most importantly, this tool is recyclable and doesn't have any adverse environmental effects once it's been disposed of. Alright, so now I'm just going to briefly re-emphasize the important information that was contained in this presentation. So while the Adjustable Wrench 34C has convenient features for consumers shown under Unique Features, there are more important long-term impacts that would result from the use of this product. The design really will help industrial companies to move towards greener production lines and ultimately try and help heal the environment. Alright, so this concludes this webinar, and I thank y'all again for joining me today. I hope that this information was not only useful, but inspiring for others to continue this pursuit for a more sustainable industrial sector. Here is my contact information, again, for if you have any further questions or would like more information on the product featured in this webinar. Those questions can also be left down below in the comments.